Hello, this is Dave Horwedel with Tax Solutions. My clients frequently tell me they do not want to raise any red flags to the IRS. The biggest red flag is an overdue, unfiled tax return. There is nothing more likely to bring unwanted tax scrutiny upon you. Okay, what other red flags to lower? Make sure your reported income matches IRS records. The IRS receives W-2s and 1099s that show your income. Submitting a return without this income included immediately shows up on the IRS computer as unreported income. Do not file your return with income that is missing, 1099s or W-2s. Get these records. Another red flag is being self-employed and running a small business and filing a Schedule C. This may be unfair, but the Schedule C filer is much more frequently audited by the IRS than others. Another possible handling is to incorporate your business. Then you are a W-2 employee of the corporation you own, and as an owner, you get dividends as well. There are a number of red flags that are unavoidable. Alimony is a red flag and increases audit frequency. Unusually large deductions, a high income, expenses above the industry standard, high travel and entertainment deductions. These all are red flags and increase audit risk. But they also reduce taxes. So if you can substantiate these, take them. Have your return filed by a top licensed professional. Self-prepared returns are much more likely to be audited. So are returns done by untrained, unlicensed tax preparers. The next question is, how do you not raise red flags to the IRS? The first answer is file your taxes. So filing your taxes is the first red flag to handle. Of course, you do not want to take a big hit filing your taxes, nor do you want to raise more red flags in filing. If your tax preparer does not have a CPA or EA licenses on his wall or added after his name on the stationery, he is not a top licensed pro. The top federally licensed tax professional is the enrolled agent or EA. He has received his license by proving his tax expertise in exam or IRS work experience as required by the IRS. To maintain his license, he has to continue regular professional tax training and make sure his returns are defensible. The IRS knows he knows tax law and has a valuable license that he will not risk by doing a shady return. Plus, the enrolled agent knows what triggers an audit and can take preemptive action. Then, if the computer flags your return for high deductions, the IRS officer sees that your return was prepared by an enrolled agent and that the medical expenses that made the deductions high are already documented. Not only is the deduction documented, but he sees a real professional is on your team who is alert to a possible red flag and handled it. Why bother to audit the return? You are not likely to find an unsupported deduction or credit here. The true tax pro will find you every legal deduction and credit your due without putting you at risk. The cost of a good tax pro's service is usually minuscule in relation to the saved tax dollars and worry. There's a lot more that can be said about this subject of red flag, but I don't want to belabor this point. If you have a specific red flag you have your attention on, feel free to contact me using the contact data at the end of this video. Now is a great time to handle any red flags or lower your future tax bill. Here's what you do. Contact Tax Solutions for a free initial consultation with an enrolled agent. You can do this in person or online in a video conference call. Get the tax knowledge and help that you need to lower your taxes. Contact Tax Solutions. The tax dollars and worry you save will be your own.